how to fix the Google Play Store not working on a Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where the Google Play Store is not opening, it's freezing, or it's just not working on your Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to fix the Google Play Store not working, it's actually pretty easy. The first thing we need to do, find the Google Play Store icon, like I have right there. You might have to swipe up and then find it in the list of apps you have. What you want to do is long press the app. And then when you see this right here, go ahead and select the I to the right of Play Store. This will open up the app info for the Google Play Store on your phone. And the first thing I recommend doing is simply scrolling down and selecting storage. So once you get in here, go ahead and clear the cache for the Google Play Store and clear the data. I recommend selecting delete here. It'll keep you logged in and everything like that. So don't worry about that. Select delete. Then go back, try to use the Google Play Store and see if that worked for you. If it didn't fix it, go back to the app info for the Google Play Store and up into the top right, select the three dots and then select uninstall updates. Once you select that, as you can see, it's going to replace this app with the factory version. So sometimes if there's an update for an app, it can cause the app to not work if it doesn't install correctly. So you can uninstall those updates by selecting OK, and then it'll install them in the future, but go ahead and see if that fixed the issue for you. If it did, that just means it was an update that did not install correctly. So hopefully that fixed it for you. Now, if after that, the Google Play Store is still not working, the next thing I would recommend doing is just simply rebooting your Samsung phone. It sounds easy, but after clearing the cache and uninstalling updates, that's probably all we need to do. So to do that, swipe down from the top, and then you'll see your notifications. Swipe down again, and you'll see your little controls here. Select the power button, and then select restart. Go ahead and tap restart again. This will reboot your Samsung phone, and then once it restarts, the Google Play Store should be working for you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.